puoi un attimo dire il tuo nome e l'età, solo di dove vivi e basta.
I'm Sara Manzoni. I'm 17 years old. And where I from Capralba.
Yeah, Crema. Okay.
Crema. Okay.
Nice to meet you, Sarah. Okay, then could you introduce yourselves, my other students, the other students here? Let's start with Klibia.
Should I start?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Ahmed Ben Sheikha. I'm from Klibia. I'm 17 years old. I'm a student in Abdelaziz Khouja High School.
Good.
And that's it, I think.
Good, okay. Who was it? Ahmed, then Selim.
Okay, my name is Selim Jirbi. I'm from Klibia. I attend the same school, Abdelaziz Khouja. I'm 17 years old. Nice to meet you.
Nuhe?
I went out. I re-invited her.
Okay, then Aisha.
She doesn't have internet connection, she said.
Okay, hi, I'm Aisha. I'm from Jordan. I have 17 years old and I'm from Darda School. Nice to meet you all.
Okay, here is Nuhe.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, no problem, Nuhe. Go ahead with introducing yourself.
Well, my name is Nuhe. I'm 17 years old and I study in Bashir Nabhani High School, and I'm Tunisian.
Okay, good. Now we may start.
Nice to meet all of you.
Yes, nice to meet you. Nice to meet all of them as well.
Okay.
Now yes. You start. So why?
Okay, first of all, I'm delighted. First of all, I'm delighted to meet all of you and get to know all of you. Second, we're here to discuss some parts of our script writing. We started by the introduction. Me and the other members of the group, Selim, Ahmed, and Aisha. We all wrote the introduction yesterday, and now today we're trying to come up with part one and part two, which is part one. Which is trying to define this generation, who we are as a generation, what represents us, and how do we, introduce ourselves. So, Ahmed, would you like to start? Ahmed.
Okay. Should I start with what?
Yes, what you wrote. So basically, wait, I forgot to mention this. Yesterday, I told them all, to try, make small paragraphs so we can all, discuss it. And so, yeah, go on, Ahmed.
Okay, let me find it first, just a sec.
Okay, take your time.
Ok.
Prof, comunque Sara Liprandi non mi risponde.
Invece Leo non riesce a entrare. Non gli dà l'opzione di mettere un'email alternativa rispetto a quella della scuola.
I found
yes.
One of my students is saying that Leonardo cannot join the meeting because he's not allowed to have an email. Different from the school. I may try to invite him. Maybe I will manage.
Okay, so we will wait.
Okay, so we will wait for another student.
Yes.
Okay. By the way, I want to mention this. So, if someone is talking, for example, Ahmed would be, reading his paragraph. Can you please, all of you, disable your mics because it will be so much noise.
Lived with technology, we have always had the access to the greatest source of information, internet. We are the generation with the highest expectations, dreams, goals since we were born in this revolutionary era.
Applause.
Okay, Close. Okay, what
Yes,
do you guys think?
this is the
Yeah,
recap.
that's good.
Okay, I'm
I
going
think
to.
we should, like team one, me, Ahmed, and Aisha and Salim. We're going to write the script for the video. And here we're trying to make part one, which is how do we define our generation, who we are as a generation. And this is like, our script is a bit inspired by a video that Mrs. Haifa shared, a video called Dear Class of 2020. It's like an American class that, talks to their class their class that are in lockdown to help them maintain a positive outlook.
That they shared, saying who they want to be in the future, for example, what is their future job. Okay, this is the task that they can really do urgently, and then they will choose what they are going to say, maybe the sentence they have written, and record it into a short video, saying just one utterance, just the sentence, read the sentence as it is, but acting it as it seems natural, not as if you are reading something, just say it naturally. Okay? And then maybe your role or your student's role would be to share that video and ask people to to participate in that campaign. Okay, there would be we will ask influencers on social media from our part. We intend this to be global, not just for the students who are participating in our project, but people from around the world, as this is a global issue, and we intend to participate.
Yeah, Mrs. Hackman, don't forget to mention the account. Don't forget to mention, to tell them to follow the account of the
Yes.
Itwinpreneur in Instagram and Facebook.
Yes, and I'm saying everything in one in one piece. There is another team, so I mentioned two teams. The one that is working on the script, and a team who is working on managing the social media account. If you wish to join, there is a second team which will be dealing with design, media content creation. That is, they will create the different posts to be shared in social media. So maybe if you are using Italian, maybe this can help if you share posts in Italian, so that it will be closer to the Italian people, since not everyone can speak English. So we will work a lot on social media, and then we will come back to the activity you proposed, that of creating recipes or sharing recipes from the recipes you created and the recipes from different cultures. Maybe we can discuss this activity later, how it is going to be. Okay? Do you have questions?
Yes, I have a question.
Yes.
Will the students in this group record the sentence for the video, or will the sentences be read by students from the other two groups?
This group or this team who organized the meeting today, they are working on the script writing. Later on, once they finish script writing, they will assign one sentence, one utterance, to all the members of the project.
Okay.
To be recorded in one video, and we will paste them as in the video I sent you.
Okay.
And then the third group will take on the work to share on social media. And we agreed that the faster it would be, the better, because maybe it is going to be resolved soon, and then the impact is not going to be as we wish. So that's why I said it's urgent in my email, because we need to finish this, and our work is really interdependent. So we need to do the different steps, so that the third group can do their work and start sharing the video in the different social media. They have created a page on Facebook, a page, an Instagram account, and Twitter as well. So
I sent the link to the Instagram account. It's in chat. Can you see it?
I'm not sure it will be resolved soon. We are still in emergency, and we will be in emergency for months. So, okay, it's okay doing activities quickly, but I think it won't be solved in a short period of time.
Oh, okay. I'm too optimistic. Then I will share with you my tips.
Okay. So now it's clear what we have to do. So
Okay.
we will start working.
Okay, thanks, Mrs. Haifa. Thanks, Mrs. Mariela. So, but going back to
go on with the activities.
Great. Thank you, Mariela.
Okay.
Keep safe. Stay safe.
Thank you. The same for you and all your students and colleagues.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, teacher. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Bye.
much.
Thank you.
As I already said, I told them, all of them, to write a small paragraph about like the part 1 where we define ourselves as a generation, and yeah, here we are reading it, I guess. And we will be discussing every paragraph and what are the flaws, what should we add it in it, what is missing, something like that. The steps you mean, like what should I? What are the steps you mean?
So you wrote, how many parts did you write? Only the introduction?
For now, yes, we made our mind on a single introduction. Ahmed edited a little bit. Everyone, shared something to edit it. Yeah, that's it. Because like yesterday we logged in very late, so we didn't really have the time to discuss it. So work further on the script. So yeah, I worked on like 2 paragraphs, part 1 and part 2, and yeah, we'll be discussing it right now.
Okay, so
I think we already have the 4th paragraph, it's kind of the idea, and Salim, the paragraph that Salim wrote.
The plan. No, they have like main ideas and the plan, set
yes,
up.
and Salim wrote the paragraph about part 3 already.
Okay.
Okay,
to be clear, when you talk, don't interrupt each other. Wait till the other person and ask for permission to talk, so that the recording is could be understood. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what else are you going to discuss? So I told you that you should put all the links in the Trello so that the people.
I did.
Okay.
I did.
Great. Keep track of the discussion you are making. In the messenger group, in your messenger group. So then good luck in working on the documents. I will be following the document editing, what should be edited, okay?
I will edit it tonight.
Yes, Aisha will be editing it.
But to check if there are not mistakes or things.
Oh, yeah, I'll be correcting the grammar and stuff like that, and Aisha will focus on the, beauty design, the design of.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Just not to. The design is not that important for the moment. Just need a text, a script. Yes, send it as soon as you can to the other groups. Okay, so that they can record the video.
How can we contact the Italian group?
I will be the messenger. I will be in correspondence with their teacher. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, that's it. Thank you. So
Bye.
if you don't have anything more to say, so goodbye.
Goodbye. What do you guys want to say?
Sorry?
I was asking them what do they want to say.
Okay. Is there anything you want to add?
No, nothing.
Yeah, that's it, I think.